Exterior lighting. Exterior lamp controls. The exterior lamp control is on the turn signal lever. There are 4 positions. Exterior lamp control operates the exterior lamps. Turn to one of the following positions. Off. Briefly turn to this position to turn the automatic light control off or on again. Auto. Automatic headlamps turns the exterior lamps on and off automatically depending on the exterior light. The vehicle will default to the auto setting when it is first started. Parking lamps turns on the parking lamps together with the following: Sidemarker lamps, tail lamps, license plate lamps, instrument panel lights. Headlamps turns on the headlamps together with the previously listed lamps and lights. Headlamp high/low beam changer. Headlamp high, low beam changer. Push the turn signal lever away from you and release to turn the high beams on. To return to low beams, push the lever again or pull it towards you and release. This indicator light turns on in the instrument cluster when the high beam headlamps are on. Flash to pass. The flash to pass feature works with the low beams or daytime running lamps, DRL, on or off. To flash the high beams, pull the turn signal lever all the way toward you, then release it. Daytime running lamps, DRL. Daytime running lamps, DRL. System makes the low beam headlamps come on at a reduced brightness in daylight when the following conditions are met. The ignition is on. The exterior lamp control is in auto. The transmission is not in P, park. The light sensor determines it is daytime. The parking brake is released. Fully functional daytime running lamps, DRL, are required on all vehicles first sold in Canada. When the DRL are on, the tail lamps, side marker, instrument panel lights and other lamps will not be on. The instrument cluster will be lit. When the exterior lamp control is turned to, the low beam headlamps come on. The other lamps that come on with the headlamps will also come on. To idle your vehicle with the DRL off, move the shift lever to P, park. The DRL will stay off until the shift lever is moved out of the P, park, position. The regular headlamp system should be turned on when needed. Automatic headlamp system. When it is dark enough outside, the headlamps come on automatically. Do not cover the light sensor on top of the instrument panel or the headlamps will come on when they are not needed. The system may also turn on the headlamps when driving through a parking garage or tunnel. Lights on with wipers. If the windshield wipers are activated in daylight with the engine on, and the exterior lamp control is in auto, the headlamps, parking lamps, and other exterior lamps come on. The transition time for the lamps coming on varies based on wiper speed. When the wipers are not operating, these lamps turn off. Move the exterior lamp control to or to disable this feature. Hazard warning flashers. Hazard warning flasher, press this button, on the center of the instrument panel, to make the front and rear turn signal lamps flash on and off. This warns others that you are having trouble. Press again to turn the flashers off. Turn and lane change signals. Move the lever all the way up or down to signal a turn. An arrow on the instrument cluster will flash in the direction of the turn or lane change. Raise or lower the lever until the arrow starts to flash to signal the lane change. Hold it there until the lane change is complete. If the lever is briefly pressed and released, the turn signal flashes 3 times. The lever returns to its starting position when it is released. If after signaling a turn or lane change the arrows flash rapidly or do not come on, a signal bulb may be burned out. Have any burned out bulbs replaced? If a bulb is not burned out, check the fuse. Fog lamps. For vehicles with fog lamps, the control is located on the turn signal lever. Use the fog lamps for better vision in foggy or misty conditions. Fog lamps. Turn the fog lamp band on the lever to hash and release it, to turn the fog lamps on or off. The band will return to its original position. The parking lamps or low beam headlamps must be on to use the fog lamps. The fog lamps will go off whenever the high beam headlamps are turned on. When the high beam headlamps are turned off, the fog lamps will come on again. Some localities have laws that require the headlamps to be on along with the fog lamps.